Buffalo this afternoon, a warning to dog owners. Cases of kennel cough have been detected in western New York. Most Buffalo's Natalie Foss is in the newsroom now with how you can protect your furry friend. Natalie.
Kelly, this is a pretty common disease, but because of how contagious it is, it could spread quickly from dog to dog. 2 cases of kennel cough were detected at Camp Bow Wow in Tonawanda. Owner Mark Luchak said one of the first indicators of the illness is that loud honking cough, but other symptoms could be runny eyes and nose as well. The summer is prime time for dogs to develop kennel cough due to the warm weather. Dog owners are more likely to bring their dogs to dog parks and outdoor festivals where they may be interacting with those other dogs. He said if your dog is experiencing any of the symptoms, keep them away from others as it is a super contagious disease.
Like the cold and the flu for humans, it's not 100% guarantee that every dog in the building is going to catch it. Some dogs have very good immunity. It's just kind of a random thing.
For most dogs, kennel cough is as serious as any cold is for humans and just requires some medicine and time away from other dogs. Luchak also mentioned it is really important to get your dog into the vet quickly if they're sick so they can receive treatment and they don't develop a more serious illness like pneumonia. Kelly.
All right, Natalie, thank you.